I'll wait to see your golden smile, feel of 1,000 kisses. Oh, please stay.
The weather is gorgeous this particular January in southern Turkey, so a group of us have decided to have a little getaway trip to the Kekova area, which is about 17 nautical miles away or about 4 hours away motor sailing. Our group consists of about 4 to 6 boats cruising this area together on and off. Our friend and sailing coach Anthony comes with us to Kekova and will then take a taxi back to Finike, so Donovan and I will be handling all of the sailing, anchoring, and docking on our own for the first time once Anthony leaves us this afternoon. No pressure. Heading to Kekova for a couple of days, and we've got Ken and Tanya over there, and we've got somewhere back there Hanan and Lisa are coming out.
And now that we're underway, you don't want to waste fuel, so run one engine. And you don't have your autopilot on yet?
No. There's Hanan and Lisa.
Okaliptüs, Okaliptüs, Okaliptüs. This is the cunning plan, over.
Cunning plan, this is Okaliptüs, over.
Should we go to 72 for the extent of this journey, over?
Copy, 72, over.
Hanan, did you get that? You got your radio? Over.
Did you hear him?
Okaliptüs is on 72 now. Is that elephant behind us with the white and red? The owner of Elephant, the big red monohull, owns the local chandlery next to our marina. He's from this area, so he knows every restaurant and place worth a visit. Ken has his head sail up. He just said that so we don't put ours out so he can win.
Try not to see how you were doing it from down there. Try not to keep that high so you don't over. You can pull it in a little bit more if you want, but not with your hands. You will be able to. Now fighting the wind. It's a lot better. Yeah, do the drop to get through it. Move it through it in. You want it as tight as you can because you're really tight on the window. That's about good. And we picked up 0.2, 0.3 on it. Woohoo! Watch out, we just picked up 0.2 of them up now with the line.
Repeat that over.
What is it?
Repeat that over.
We put our head sail out and we picked up 0.2 of the knot, so watch out, we're coming up behind you over.
Oh my God, you have two. I better get my squisher out right now.
Kekova is a small uninhabited island in the southwestern side of Turkey in Antalya province. It is very close to the Lycian town of Demre or Mira, which we visited in episode 89 about 6 or 7 episodes back. The Kekova area is really popular to visit because it has the most incredible turquoise crystal clear water, boasting its very own ancient sunken city, rocky scenery with intermingled ruins, restaurants, and a Roman castle to hike up to. It is also a really great location for sailors as it is well protected from wind and bad storms, making it a great place to shelter. The 2,500-year-old sunken city runs along the water's edge of Kekova Island itself and cannot be seen from our catamaran as we travel down this waterway. But if you get in your dinghy and ride right up to the island, you will suddenly see underwater buildings begin to appear in about 4 or 5 meters of water. Apparently, the city sank after an earthquake during the 2nd century.
is south
So,
of that.
gotcha. Did you hear that?
So we're going to go south of that.
Right. That's why we're going in this way.
Yeah. So you should go online and get your marker information so you can learn that.
Yeah.
Because these carbon markers are two arrows pointing up as well. The one arrow up and one arrow down is east, two down is south, and the one down and one up is west.
So you'd be a up and a down.
Yeah.
Like this together.
Yeah.
So that's west. Okay. So what's the name of this city? Kalkoi.
Just across from the island and the sunken city, there's a small town called Kalikoi, where the Simena Castle is located at the top of the hill overlooking Kekova Island, and several ancient Lycian tombs scattered around, rising from the water.
Now we wanted to slowly go back, so we're just slowly going back.
Yeah.
You're at
8.8 meters.
We're in 5 meters. We're in 5 meters and you've got 8 out. So just slowly go back. That's right. Keep dropping.
Keep going. You already left 12 meters of chain only.
So when he gets up at around 15 meters, we'll stop. Just stop and we'll see if we can dig. So we'll give a little bit of backwards.
We're almost at 15. Just stay there for a second. We're digging in the anchor.
So it looks like we've already dug in really well, so that's good. So then we'll just keep, you want to get to 5 to 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 5 times 5 is 25 meters. So we need 25 meters of chain out.
So we need 10 meters more.
Yeah.
You're at 21. Slow down. 22. You need 3 more meters. So okay, stop.
Put us in here.
We made it. Thank you. How's the weather been over here?
How good is this? Oh, we've been here since we left Monday.
I
Not
thought
in
so.
this anchorage entirely. We were here a few nights, then we went around to Gokai just around the corner. And then we came back when we knew you guys were all coming here. So we pulled up last night actually.
Okay.
Nice, how good's the weather?
Yeah.
Wouldn't
Amazing.
have nailed it.
How is it at night?
I wasn't able to sail, but like
We had the head
magic
sail on.
day. Oh, did you?
nice.
Yeah,
Oh,
you did,
nice.
yeah.
Were you freezing at night?
No, it's not too bad.
It's not as cold as the marina, I reckon, because you don't get that northerly off the hills.
Yeah.
Finnecke.
Yeah. It was
But
a bit cold last night.
colder
but I don't
'cause
think
it was clear
I don't
last
think
night,
as
yeah.
cold as Infinite.
Have you guys been here before?
No.
Yes, you-
Not
Oh,
here.
nice.
We've been to Smuggler's Cove to have lunch one time.
Oh, so
Oh,
that's
yeah,
where we were the
anchored
last few days.
just in there. Yeah.
Okay.
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 We love it around there.
Yeah, it's great there.
Yeah, much more isolated,
Yeah.
Yeah.
much cleaner water.
Yeah. Ken's in a hurry. That's Ken.
And Charlie.
He took Charlie to potty.
Well, welcome, guys.
Thank you.
Thank
So
you.
good to have company in the
Yeah.
day, finally.
Yeah.
Pretty boat.
Great on anchor, doesn't it?
Don't think, yeah.
You don't appreciate how cool they look when you're at the dock. Because you only see that much of it.
right over there. You guys picked the ugliest spot.
Right? Isn't this all pretty?
You picked the ugliest spot in Turkey.
What a shit place!
Oh my god.